Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and I am a reseller using platforms like eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. On this channel, I try to share news about updates and new features to these platforms, even though I've been selling online for many more years than I even care to admit to. I'm always learning new tricks and I hope that I can pass these along to help others work smarter too. So today what we're going to take a look at is eBay's fairly new time away settings, which replace the old vacation settings. This is actually not a new feature. It came out several months ago in the eBay seller update in September, but I recently had a chance to use it myself for the first time, and also I've seen some chatter about it on some of the YouTube chats that I've been in, and people have been a little confused about it. So I thought, hey, it might not hurt for me to just do a little look at it and kind of show everybody what it was all about. Now, the way I generally work is that I just look at these updates and kind of tell you what they say. I like to do it this way, basically kind of reading, because a lot of people don't have time to go looking in at all the updates and read the help pages, and a lot of people like to do these YouTube things while working. So while you're working, you can just listen to me kind of explain it to you. So first I'm just going to show you the email that I got recently, moving to new time away settings. And basically it's saying that the new time and away settings, they'll be moving me to the new time away settings starting March 2021. Now, I'm not sure what that means because I actually just used the new settings at the end of January. But in any case, it says with the new settings, you will now have a maximum duration for your time away. I don't think this was the case when it first came out, but if you continue to allow sales, your time away can be up to 15 days. And if you pause sales, your time away can be up to 30 days. So once that time frame is over, your listings will then become, your paused listings will be resurfaced, reshown, and your shown listings will have the estimated delivery time shortened again. So if you want to continue hiding your listings for more than 30 days, you can use other options like the out of stock options. So let's take a look at what eBay sent out when they very first introduced this feature, because there's an important part of it on this page that I didn't quite see in the official help pages on the feature. Again, for fixed price listings right now, under the old vacation settings, you could either hide your listings from search or you could keep them visible so that buyers could continue to purchase them. But you had to go in and manually bulk edit your listings to extend your handling time. So if you were going to be away a week, you would make your handling time 7 days. And the problem with that is that, and I only did that once, because the problem I found unless I hid my listings, was that basically buyers don't read and they don't look to see. And so I found myself, if I got a sale, emailing the buyer while I'm away on vacation saying, please, did you notice that when you ordered this that the handling time is 7 days? And I would say in about 70% of the sales, the buyer would email me back and say, oh no, I didn't notice that, cancel, I don't want to wait. So what good was that to me, basically? And so after that first time, I just hid my listing so that I didn't have to bother with it. Now, I knew other people who had success doing that. I personally didn't. The new time away settings allows you to leave your listings visible. eBay will then show them a banner on the listing saying that you are away, and more importantly, eBay will extend the estimated delivery time by the length of stay that you're away. So if you're away a week, the delivery time, they would add 7 days to the estimated delivery time, plus your regular handling time. So if you're a person who automatically has 3 days handling time, eBay would show delivery dates based on you not shipping till that third day. Well, now eBay would show a delivery day based on you not shipping for 10 days. Your vacation block plus whatever your normal handling time is. No bulk editing of handling times, just leave your regular handling time in there and it will automatically be shown for you. Now, you can schedule this time away well in advance. And then negative feedback related to shipments will automatically be removed when time away is on, provided you post any items by the updated estimated delivery date. So if a buyer doesn't happen to read, doesn't happen to realize, and then is twiddling his thumbs while your item doesn't ship for 7 days, and then instead of contacting you, leaves your negative feedback saying, great item, but the seller didn't ship for 10 days, eBay would then remove that feedback for you. So I think that's a great feature of that. The way you access it in general is to go to your account settings, selling, time away. Now let's take a look at what the current help pages say about this and just do a little walkthrough. And this is just a little one through. You go to your time away settings, you select scheduled time away, you select either allow item sales or pause item sales, you set a start and end date, and then this says to start your time away immediately, select today's date. I will warn you now that when I did this in January, I was not able to select today's date. I was not able to do that. Maybe that's part of the thing that is going to be available to me in March as per that email. I don't know. But for right now, I can't do it. Select apply. When scheduling your time away, keep in mind, if you choose today's date, a message at the top of your listings letting buyers know you're on time away will display within minutes, but it'll take a few hours for the updated estimated delivery date to appear. And again, if you allow item sales, your time and away can be up to 15 days. If you pause item sales, your time and away, and I know I'm saying time and away, and I know why I'm saying that, because there's a song I sing with my chorus, and there's part of it that says time and away, and so I keep putting the and in there. It's just in my head, sorry. This says that you should schedule your time away to start a day before your time off to accommodate any last day orders. And that's just always a good thing to plan ahead in any case. Now here's interesting tip. Whether you choose to allow sales or pause them, delivery dates won't be updated for second chance offers, digital items, items for local pickup, in-store pickup, or global shipping program. So you may want to bulk disable the global shipping program while you're away for that reason. When you allow item sales, your items will still be visible and buyers can still purchase them. However, buyers will see a message at the top of your listings, let them know that you're on time away, and then the delivery date will be extended. When you pause item sales, fixed price listings will be hidden from search. If a buyer previously added one of your items to their watch list or cart and tries to buy it while you're away, they will not be able to complete the purchase. This is items that are when your sales are paused. It can take a few hours for your price listings to become hidden, so try to do it ahead of time. When you pause item sales for auction listings, buyers will still be able to see and buy your auction style listings, but they'll see a message at the top of the listing informing them that you're on time away. The estimated delivery date will also be updated in the shipping and delivery section. So if you have an auction running, the winning bidder will get notice of that extended delivery time. To end it early at any time, so you come home earlier than you expect, you can just cancel it completely, or you could reset the end date. Easy peasy. Also, you can, and I highly recommend you do this, to set up an automatic response so that anybody who contacts you through eBay messages will get an automatic response telling them you're away and that you will contact them when you get back. So let's just do a really quick run through of the steps. Go to your time away settings. Click on schedule time away. Now here's where I had problems. Today's February 11th. It says that to do it immediately, just leave that at today's date. I was not able to do that. I choose February 11th. Say we're going to be away a week. I'll select an end date of the 18th. The time away always goes from the minute after midnight on the day you start till the minute before midnight on the day that you end. I'm going to allow item sales while away. And when I click apply, so it did allow me to do it this time. It did allow me to do an immediate setting for vacation, which, interesting. So now my items are on vacation. Well, that's actually a good test. So we want to set up a message on time away. And this, I think this was the message that I posted last time I went away. But basically, you know, I'm usually my perky self. Hello, thanks for stopping by. Probably annoys half the buyers. I'm currently away. All messages will be answered and items shipped no later than February 20th. Easy peasy. And apply. So let's take a look and see if this had an immediate effect on my store, as it said it would. Yeah, and it actually does. So let me resume this share. This is my storefront. It now says the seller is away. Expected delay until they return. And then if a buyer were to click on a listing, there's also the banner is already at the top. The seller is away. Now, of course, I'm here. So I want to go back to my time away settings. I want to go back to the time away settings. And this is currently showing this. And all I do here is say end time away. I don't want to do that. And apply. And now that banner shall disappear. So that is just a little overview of the time away settings. A great new feature, much better than the old vacation settings. And yeah. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget that the Reseller Squad chats every weekday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern on the Chick Picker channel, which will be linked in the description below. And remember to focus on what you can change in your business, not what you can't. You'll be much happier for it. Thank you.